Hello and welcome to my Pentart Playbook series. I'm Shannon from Pick and Booze Vintage, and what I'm going to do is each month I'm going to show you a different set of Pentart products and describe how to use them. Pentart Cracking Paste. What is it? Well, it's a thick two-part component paste system that dries with deep, visible cracks for a weathered, age-textured look. So when do you want to use it? You use it when you want bold, dramatic cracks with texture. It's perfect for age paint looks, vintage decor, or even mixed media pieces. It can even be used on furniture. Okay, so how to use it? Well, you need to decide where you're going to put it. Are you going to put it over some paint? Or are you going to put it over a layer of decoupage? Whatever you put it on, make sure it's fully dry. Then the next step is you're going to apply component one. Now, when I say component one, the cracking paste is labeled differently for some reason. It uses cracking paste primer or cracking primer universal. It does not come as a kit, so make sure you buy this when you're buying your cracking paste. The cracking paste works with cracking paste primer instead of component one, same thing. Even the cracking primer universal, same thing. All component ones are the same formula, so use whichever one you have on hand, but you definitely need to use one of them. Put it on in a thin, even coat, but make sure you let it dry completely. It'll become clear when it does. It goes on white, but will dry clear. So when that's done, you can apply the cracking paste. That's component two. You're going to either use a palette knife or a brush. Now keep in mind, the thinner you apply it, the smaller the cracks are going to be. And the thicker you apply it, the larger the cracks will be. You'll notice when I use my palette knife, I can make different patterns. And if I put on thicker or thinner, you will see the difference. Okay, so after you put the cracking paste on, make sure you give it plenty of dry time. Now, cracks will only form where the component one, the primer, is used. You're going to let it air dry. The cracks will appear as it cures. The thicker areas take a lot longer to dry, so just be patient. You can add wax or antique paste to the cracks if you want to. It's not necessary because whatever layer is underneath will come through. And then the final step is you need to seal it with a clear varnish to keep it from cracking off. So definitely make sure you seal it. Doesn't matter what you seal it with. Okay, pro tips. Use contrasting colors underneath the paste. That'll make the cracks stand out more. Don't forget the primer or it's not going to crack. Only apply to hard surfaces. Paste dry hard and can flake off on very unflexible surfaces. Okay, you can also tint the white paste with pigment paste to create your own look. Use it through a stencil for a raised, cracked design. Just check out what has done to this brick. It makes it look authentic. So when you paint it, put a little bit of wax on it, look at the natural cracks on the brick.